Using Target gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop for a variety of items at Target stores or online. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Check the balance. Before you start shopping, check the balance on your Target gift card. You can do this by visiting the Target website or using the Target app. This will help you know how much you can spend. Step 2. In-store shopping. To use your gift card in a Target store, simply select your items and head to the checkout. Present your gift card to the cashier, who will scan it or enter the card number to apply the balance to your purchase. Step 3. Online shopping. If you prefer to shop online, go to the Target website or app and add items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, enter your gift card number and PIN in the designated fields to apply the balance to your order. Step 4. Combining payments. If your purchase exceeds the amount on your gift card, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method, such as a credit card or debit card. Just follow the prompts during checkout to complete the transaction. Step 5. Keep your gift card. After using your gift card, keep it until you confirm that the balance has been applied correctly. If you have any issues or if there is a remaining balance, you may need the card for future reference. Enjoy your shopping experience at Target with your gift card.